Okay, this is also very nice today, and it's this rare cold button panel was changed here.
Yeah.
That's a rare one.
Yeah.
But it's very nice. And today, yes, it's the 12th of March 2024. It's on Eestinlaakso, Eestinlaakso 14 here in Nöykkiö, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo Street in modernized Finland. This was built in 1991, but was it finished in 92 or?
Yeah.
Finished in 1992, so late 1991. By Schindler S with four floors, and capacity is 4 bus at 300 microns. December is 442, 482. Everybody's coming.
Yeah.
Everybody's okay. Next year, 2025. Oh, sorry, we'll take 2 rides here. Sounds of the smell in here.
Niin pitää kiva, olisi pitänyt maintained by Kony.
This glass has been changed by Kony.
Yeah.
But it's an older type.
And it can send the code.
I believe that glass must have been broken.
Yeah.
Also, shortly after it was finished, because that only logo is like an older one.
Mm.
So I believe that this could have been changed already in the mid-1990s.
Yeah. This will be modernized or replaced soon.
Well, unfortunately.
Yeah.
This was the last ride.